perfect timing. Earlier this afternoon, it looked like rain and it felt like fall out there.
I know, a little windy, but gorgeous sunshine and temperatures nice and cool, George, especially for everybody out there at Festival of the Arts.
Yeah, very comfortable. Might want to take a light jacket here this evening as the sun gets closer to the horizon. But yeah, it's improved quite a bit, lots sunnier. Now, we're hoping for more of this over the weekend. I think Sunday will be your best day of the two. 13 weather ball tonight is green. No change to our a little bit cooler weather pattern foreseen. It's also blinking bright because, yeah, we do have some Saturday showers in sight.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
Clearing skies, a lot of sunshine, especially at the lakeshore. It's been kind of sunny there most of the day. Inland, we've seen the clouds, and they have popped up here during the late morning and early afternoon. Very choppy waves out on Lake Michigan, where beach hazard alert was scheduled to expire at 4 p.m. It's only 66 degrees there, but look at those big rollers. 2-foot waves out on the lake. Those will come down a little bit tonight, but then be right back up here tomorrow. So the beach hazard risk for the time being is back down to moderate. Those 2 to 3 foot waves will be dropping to 1 foot overnight tonight, but back up here tomorrow. Water temperatures at the lake are in the upper 50s to low 60s. Not bad. You can see the clouds retreating. There were a couple of sprinkles to the north and east of Grand Rapids, but again, no rain for the second day in a row. But that may not be the case here tomorrow. We're tracking some showers back to our west that look like they're going to make it here later on tomorrow. May start in the late morning along the lake shore and then move inland during the afternoon. But tonight will be mainly clear, and then you can see tomorrow morning that big area of rain to the west. The showers will move through during the day on Saturday. Won't rain all day, just on and off from time to time, maybe for a 2-hour, 3-hour period. Then skies clear tomorrow night, and we're back into some sunshine, but with a northwest breeze to west breeze on Sunday. It's going to get kind of breezy like today with a lot of sunshine, so what's not to like there? Temperatures about where they were today, maybe a degree warmer or two, low 70s here. Same on Sunday, right around 72 or so with 60s and even 50s up in the UP. Will be the same right around on Monday. So the cool weather continuing here for a while, but then the warm-up begins. Long-range outlook, 13th through the 17th. That's the end of our 10-day forecast. Higher chances that will be warmer than our average highs, which are close to 80 by that time, and pretty much an equal chance for more or less rainfall during that 5-day period. I think we'll have one shot later on next week. Forecast for tonight, look for clear or clearing skies, depending on where you were. Low to mid 50s, only 50 around Ludington. To the north, it'll drop into the upper 40s under clear or clearing skies. Similar here in the greater Grand Rapids area. We're looking at lots of clear skies, ranging from 49 to as warm as 54. 13 on your side forecast. We've upped the percentage of area to 70% that will receive some showers tomorrow, mainly afternoon. Breezy on Sunday like today, and 71 on Monday, but here comes the slow climb from the 70s into the 80s. We've kind of trimmed back that 90-plus temperatures, but still, that may still happen later on after Father's Day. We have one other shot of some rain, and that would be next Thursday night. So a beautiful evening going on in downtown Grand Rapids. Festival of the Arts going on all weekend long until 6 p.m. on Sunday. And it's a beautiful evening in downtown Grand Rapids as Festival of the Arts kicked off earlier today at noon, and we've got just everything for all of your senses. Entertainment, sounds, the smells, the sights, and even the taste of much of the culture here in West Michigan. All going on all weekend long until 6 o'clock on Sunday. We do have a chance of some showers coming up on Saturday. 13 weather ball is blinking bright because of that here for tomorrow. It's also green, no change to the kind of breezy and cool weather pattern foreseen.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
Gonna walk the dog this evening, whether here in downtown Grand Rapids or anywhere here in West Michigan. Blue skies. Sophie, you got a great evening for Kelly and Tom to take you out. Gonna give you the green paw this evening, dropping through the 60s. It'll be in the 50s in the morning, no threat of any rain until later on in the afternoon tomorrow. Not as much sunshine here tomorrow because the clouds will roll back in compared to what we saw here this afternoon. Winds are going to be down a little bit, so not a breezy day tomorrow. Lower chance for high winds, a little higher chance for some scattered showers. The clouds cleared on out here. It was kind of sunny most of the day along the lake shore. The clouds have hung a little bit tougher to the north and east, but all the way around, not a bad day. We're tracking some showers out there in Iowa, some of that not reaching the ground, but some of it will here later on tomorrow afternoon. So that's why we have that chance of showers. About 70% of our area will see that. Tonight, we'll see our clouds come in just a little bit. These are high clouds this evening, and then they're going to clear on out. So we'll start our day with lots of sunshine, but throughout the morning, the clouds will thicken, and then we'll see some scattered showers moving through the area. It won't rain in any one location more than an hour or two, and then the skies clear here tomorrow evening. Winds coming out of the west and northwest on Sunday, though, going to keep us on the cooler side, but at least we'll see a good deal of sunshine here in our part of Michigan. As far as temperatures, we'll be up into the low 70s tomorrow. That's about where we were today, maybe a degree or two warmer. And the same on Sunday as we see more sunshine than cloud cover. And we'll stay with our 70-plus temperatures on Monday before we begin that long warm-up later on next week. At the end of our 10-day forecast and beyond, this takes us up to the first few days of astronomical summer. Between the 15th and 21st, we have a high chance of seeing warmer than average readings, which at that time are around 80 to 81, so you can expect well up into the 80s. And as far as precipitation goes, an equal chance of more or less, but the storm track appears it will be off to our west. So the forecast for tonight, clear skies along the lake shore. You'll drop to around 50 up in Ludington, low and mid 50s elsewhere. Winds will lighten up out of the west. The outlook for up north, you will become clear. Upper 40s with a lighter west wind later on this evening after the sun goes down there at 9:22. Sun setting at 9:19 here in Grand Rapids. Overnight lows a little bit cooler further inland at Ionia and a little bit warmer here in Grand Rapids at 54. 13 on your side forecast. We've increased the area where you'll see showers, especially in the afternoon. That's here in Grand Rapids. 72 and breezy again on Sunday, and we'll stay around 71 on Monday, but dry weather will prevail most of next week with a long climb from the low and mid 70s on Tuesday and Wednesday to the low and mid 80s by we get into Father's Day weekend. It's a little bit cooler than we had forecast yesterday. Only really one chance of rain now next week, and it'll come overnight next Thursday night. So Elena and Juliet, it is a festive atmosphere here in downtown Grand Rapids, and I just can't think of a better kickoff to Festival of the Arts.
Yeah, and the music sounds good too, George.
Looks fantastic.
Thank you. Big events happening in downtown Grand Rapids this weekend, and Chief Meteorologist George Lessons is live at Festival as part of his farewell tour. George?
It is a beautiful evening here in downtown Grand Rapids. The weather is perfect, a little bit breezy right now, but we've got the sights, the sounds, the entertainment. We've got tacos, we've got dessert, we've got roasted corn, we've got everything that you would like to enjoy on this kickoff to Festival of the Arts, going through Sunday at 6 p.m. Now, there are going to be some showers coming our way during the day tomorrow, but before we get to that, 13 weather ball is green. No change to the little bit cooler weather pattern we're seeing. It's also blinking bright. We do have some few showers in sight.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside
Temperatures
Greenhouse.
today, up around 60s and low 70s. We made 70 here at Grand Rapids. Average high is 77, so we've had a couple of cooler than average days. No rain to speak of here today. We forecast upper 60s, so we came within a couple of degrees of our forecast high. We've done that 11 days in a row. That's how we measure ourselves. Clear skies, clearing skies today. It didn't look so here earlier today, and as the sun came out, got a little bit breezy. Still too cold upstairs compared to what's going on down here, so we get those breezes once in a while. But back to the west, we're tracking those showers coming out of Iowa. We'll first see the clouds with that later on tonight, and then some of that rain will reach West Michigan during the day tomorrow. Watch here this evening. Some of those high clouds will start to come on in. I can see them on the western horizon between now and about midnight, and then they clear on out. It'll start the day with some sunshine, but the clouds will quickly increase. And you'll notice some scattered showers here and there. Not going to rain all day. Might have a couple of hours where you just have to hang out for a while, and then the sun will come back out as skies clear during the day on Sunday. As far as rainfall, we're not looking at a whole lot, maybe enough to wet the ground, but it may come at a time when you want to do some outdoor activities. You'll have a better chance of getting those done successfully during the day on Sunday. Well, looking farther ahead, this is every Friday. We look at our week 3 and 4 temperatures. Pretty much the entire country has the higher chances for warmer temperatures. So this takes us from the end of June all the way through the 4th of July. Average highs are in the low and mid 80s, so a good chance we'll see readings higher than that. Storm track is down to the south and way up in Minnesota, so we're between both of those, so you can expect perhaps the same amount of chances for rain as we would usually get during that 2-week period. And over the course of those 2 weeks, we get about 1.5 inches of rain on average. So we'll see mainly cloudy skies here tomorrow with some showers developing along the lakeshore first, with readings in the mid-60s to the north, low 70s from Muskegon, Holland southward. More of the showers will come later on in the day in the afternoon, and then ending in the early evening to the north. Upper 60s, maybe as warm as 72 in Greenville. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area southward, further south where the rain takes longer to arrive, you'll be in the mid-70s, we'll be in the low 70s here, but expect at least a part of the day to see some scattered showers. 13 on your side forecast. Breezy as the sun comes back out on Sunday, 72, 71 on Monday. We'll be in the 70s again on Tuesday and Wednesday. Next chance of rain comes next Thursday night as some warm and more humid air comes on in. We'll see readings topping out in the mid and upper 80s now, all the way through Father's Day weekend. So we do have a great evening going on. Be sure to come out and enjoy Festival of the Arts here in downtown Grand Rapids.